Good evening on June 25th. You're watching V News and my name is Viktoria. The newest update regarding COVID-19 is on psychological level. And according to Dr. Kisova, the reason behind feeling anger, anxiety and depression is a direct result from cognitive dissonance. This theory is only applying to you if you have two cognitions, either your attitudes or your behaviors, not aligned with each other, causing discomfort. Let's take a look at where this whole process takes place in our brains. In our brain, we're having two hemispheres, each of them having four lobes. In between the frontal lobe and temporal lobe, we are going to find underneath a fissure a frontal cortex. The frontal cortex is very important for us because it is holding our thought process, decision making, and our emotions, basic ones, like happiness, sadness, and anxiety. Secondly, we are talking about the amygdala, located into the temporal lobe. It is very small, however, it is developed within a person when a person is born, and it is holding our fear center, our anger, and those emotions. We need to make sure that the emotions are aligned with our logic. So this is why our frontal lobe comes into place, balancing out each other, making sure we don't make decisions off of our emotions. Those are the two main parts that we need in order to have this process. But what the people in the world would normally do now conflicts the way they act since the pandemic had started. This changes our cognitions and people start feeling discomfort, which then requires adjustments in the way we behave. For instance, imagine a very positive person always being able to give you advice or help you. When cognitive dissonance appears and after the pandemic starts, this person now has a hard time maintaining healthy mindset. He gets depressed and anxious. In this situation, he still tries to help his friends, but he's having a very hard time. This is when those two cognitions are not aligned with each other. And when he now starts to reduce this cognitive dissonance, he starts listening to some advices. He now can wear some gloves, can just feel a little bit more better about the situation so he can help himself first, and after this being able to help his friends again. About 48% of adults in the United States are having mental problems due to COVID-19. I really hope this video gives you some tips and helpful resources in order to help you and your loved ones. Have a good evening and good night from V News.